Today I'll show you how to replace the air filter on BMW R1200 and 1250 Adventure models. The only tools required are Torx 25 and Torx 30. The first step is to remove the rider seat by turning the key fob to the left and placing the seat aside. If your bike is equipped with heated seats, press the release tab and unplug the electrical connector. Next, remove the 10 Torx 25 screws as well as the wind deflectors. The screws can be stored in the compartment. There is also one Torx 30 screw that has to be removed. Before the fuel tank cover can be lifted, slide these two tabs over the front fender fairing on both sides. Now the cover can be lifted from the rear and wiggled out of position. Clean the airbox cover, preferably with a vacuum or compressed air, to remove any surrounding dirt. Then remove the 4 Torx 25 screws securing the airbox cover. It can be taken off as shown. Finally, the air filter and its cage can be removed. I like to check the airbox for dirt that might have fallen inside and also for any residue on the throttle bodies. Place the new air filter into the groove and reinstall its cage. Torque the airbox cover screws to 3 Newton meters. Here I'm checking that the filler cap cable and breather hose are routed correctly in their channels. Now the fuel tank cover can be refitted. Make sure the two tabs slide underneath the front fender fairing. Reinstall the wind deflectors. Insert the front 4 Torx 25 screws. Torque the single Torx 30 screw to 8 Newton meters. Then insert the rear 2 Torx 25 screws. Last but not least, reinstall the rider seat. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector for the heated seat if equipped. Wipe off any fingerprints. Thank you for watching and have a nice ride.